Hi, welcome to this Sphere Day, which is on the 12th of November. It's Tuesday, just going to be looking at what we consider to be a really good risk to reward trade setup on a breakout. And the pair we're going to look at today is USD MXN, and we're going to the chart in a moment. Now, in terms of breakouts, we do actually like when you have tight sideways action and you get a breakout from the range. Now, in terms of, you'll see the chart in a moment, USD MXN has been traveling sideways, but if we break to the upside, we know there are big speculative short positions. So if we do break out, they should get run on stop, and hopefully the trade will be quickly in profit. Now, in terms of the trade setup, I'm just going to explain it in a little bit more detail. We'll go to the chart, but please do keep in mind, it is my view as of right now. It can, of course, change in line with the market conditions and action. If you want all our trading techniques and our daily technical sentiment analysis of 14 Forex pairs, including the one we're going to look at right now, you can click on the link beneath this video and get live access to our member set. Right, let's go to the chart. Daily chart, and in terms of saying the intro, obviously speculators building up short positions. How do we know that? CFD Net Traders positions released by the CFTC, a free tool for anyone unfamiliar with it that gives you the actual big money positions in the market of two key groups, speculators and commercials. Now, you can look up our video if you're unfamiliar with this tool in terms of exactly how we use the CFD Net Traders positions. I'll just give a brief sort of insight to how we use it here, but you can watch the full video if you wish. Now, speculators and commercials. Commercials are the smart money, speculators, for want of a better word, the dumb money. And what we do is we look at the ratio they've got of longs to shorts. So here, speculators 2.5 to 1, shorts over longs. So they're bearish, and they've added in 11,495 shorts on this week's reports. That's quite a sizable amount. Commercial smart money long the USD 3.5 to 1, longs over shorts, and they've added in 11,841 longs. The divergence between two groups is 6, which historically is pretty good in this pair. Now, in terms of the chart, I'll do all the technicals in a moment, just drawn some levels in. But speculators build up short carry trades on a break of 1920. I'll just explain what a carry trade is in a moment. But speculators have sold hard here, and the dollar has not taken out that support line. Okay, now in terms of what we're looking for is a breakout in the MXN and those stops to get run. Now, just before I draw my levels, entry, stop, and target, just in terms of Mexico, we know the economy is weak and the central bank are likely to cut rates as we go forward, okay? But the Banxico Bank, which is the central bank of Mexico, offers the best interest rate of a major currency. So you're picking up 9% in interest rate earnings over the USD's below 2%. So you've got that differential, okay? So what you're getting is, like I said, the carry trades are building up, the USD is not weakening. And why are the carry trades all coming in? Well, it's due to market optimism about a truce in trade wars. We've got President Trump speaking in about an hour or two. Market's very bullish that trade wars will be solved. Now, that's obviously good for risk currencies such as the Mexican peso. You're getting a decent interest rate, if you're traveling sideways. Obviously, if you're falling, you've got some capital appreciation as well. And speculators are trying to push it through this support level here, and so far they failed. The dollar is blue on the day, okay, or it's up on the day. USD said it in a few videos recently, just generally oversold. You've got very sort of risk on market, people optimistic, particularly about trade wars. We just don't think they're going to be solved that quickly. And speculators have already sold on the fact that they will be. So they've got their shorts in here. Now, if you're on a carry trade, you don't normally want too wide a stop. Big institutions want the interest rate, okay? Obviously, they want capital appreciation if they can get it, but they're not going to risk it too far. So my own view is there's going to be plenty of stops that could get hit in this pair. where the stop's likely to be. Just draw a trajectory in there. Come through, obviously, that trajectory, but I'd actually wait for a break of that level. Straight lines tend to be more effective in terms of technical analysis, in my view. So double top there, effectively, poke near it, poke at it, poke at it, poke near it, now coming up to it again. I think the stops are behind this level. Volatility is low. You can see that from the Bollinger Bands. The candles are tight. A lot of people are saying the US dollar is going to break out to the downside. This moment, pretty firm. Gets through here on a big blue. Then basically the stop should get run. Where to? In terms of the divergence, I personally think up to 1980. I think we could go all the way back to daily chart highs. Now, how would you play this one? Basically, if you came through the level, I have to stop back behind this level. So you've got quite decent risk to reward. But if you get a nice big blue, that means the stops are getting run and you could bring your stop up a little bit tighter, okay? Behind the base of today, for example. Yeah, if it breaks out, it starts to run, that's great. Yeah, if it stalls, you just always take it out. You're really looking for the stops to get hit here, okay? If it goes down, you'll miss the trade and you could reset if you're bullish at a lower level. But yeah, you're looking really for that breakout to occur and then the stops to get run. So yeah, it's really tight congestion sideways. You're going to get a breakout either way when you've got low volatility. The range will break. If you're looking for the top of the range to break, obviously, the stops are there. Hopefully you'll soon be in profit. That's the way I see it anyway. So we'll see how this one goes. You can obviously follow it in the guest pair section of the member centre if you wish. But that is the video for today. Thank you very much for watching me. Take care. Have a good day.